Hello everyone. First of all, I introduce myself. I am Dr. Syed Ismail, Assistant Professor in Law. I have completed PhD in 2016. Now, I would like to explain the topic of dying declaration. Indian Evidence Act 1872, written by the John Stephen. There are 157 sections and number of the part and charts. I would like to explain the dying declaration. The dying declaration is defined under section 32 clause 1. Under the Indian Evidence Act, relevancy is defined section 5 to 55. There are so many chapters, means admission, confession and dying declaration. Dying declarations is a relevancy of fact, which is defined by the relevancy. It is the circumstantial evidence. But one of the settled principle is that oral must be a direct, hearsay evidence is not admissible. Except this principle, hearsay evidence is exception to the dying declaration. Dying declaration is a powerful evidence. Dying declaration means when the statement made by a person as to cause of his death or circumstances of transaction to result in his death, when the cause of death is in question. Famous phrase, just like a truth sits on the lips on the dying man, means any dying person cannot lie whenever he was a die. The cause of his death is questioned. It is a must. Second one thing is that death is must, but if it is person is dying and he is injured and he declared his dying declaration but he is alive, this evidence can also admissible. The person who is injured come before the court and give some statement against the accused. Under section 157 of Criminal Procedure Code, it is the corroborative evidence. Then there are a many part of the dying declaration, means dying declaration must be oral or written. There are some procedure when the dying declaration must be taken by the magistrate and sub-inspector or a doctor. Dying declaration must be taken to the question and answer format. It can be explained by the dying man languages also. The dying man also give the rational answer. He is the conscious conditions to give the statement for his cause of his death. Number of the cases means 2 or 3 dying declaration is also, but it is a question whether which of the dying declaration is admissible. The procedure adopted by the competent authority or magistrate or the sub-inspector, it is the valid or true dying declaration. The dying declaration having some part, it is used against the accused for cause of another death. This is the first lecture, and I would like to explain the section 32 clause 1 dying declaration. If you like my channel, you can subscribe, share, like. Thank you.